Okay, y'all, so I just finished that amazing power yoga. If you hear some noises in the background, it's my mom. We're on FaceTime together still. But child, literally, first of all, it's Sunday, so, but it was just grand. Like, so I have Peloton, and if y'all know Chelsea, that is my favorite yoga and meditation instructor. She is always on it. But this Sunday, she had a live power yoga class. Girl, she had the gasp. Ugh. It was giving Kurt Franklin. It was giving Mary Mary. Okay, I mean, like, now I'm in the mood to listen to gospel music for the rest of the day. And oh! Today's video is in partnership with Novashine. Hello everyone, it's me, Mami Tiff for the future, and today we're going to be talking about Novashine and their teeth whitening kit. I am so excited. When they reached out to me, I was like, are y'all sure? So just to give y'all a little bit of my own personal teeth history, I started drinking coffee at the age of, I want to say 13. Always have been an avid coffee drinker. I stopped drinking actually around this year of 2021 and switched over to matcha, but that's a different story for a different video. And when I was in high school, I did indeed use those little like Crest white teeth strips, but I never really saw the results that I was looking for out of them, you know? So honestly, I'm excited. I'm about to give y'all a genuine review. I've watched a couple of other people's videos on how they did this, and I've seen some great results in their videos, so we're gonna see how Novashine works for me. Okay, so inside the big box come these two white boxes, and this first one here is the whitening gel, and then in this second one is the mouthpiece, and then also in the box it comes with a little scale of what shade your teeth is and what the range is of, like, let's see, a 1 to 16. So we're gonna see what I'm at currently. Okay, so I went ahead and took a picture of my teeth, and honestly, it's looking like I'm kind of like between a 3, 4, maybe 5 range, but primarily like 3, 4. So maybe we can get ourselves to a 2-1. We'll see. We'll see what the whitening kit does. Okay, so here is what the mouthpiece looks like, and it comes with this wire that's already attached to it, and then it comes with an adapter. And so on here is a USB, I believe this is an Android charger, and then this last one here is an iPhone charger. So, you know, Novashine is trying to be accessible to all phone users. Love to see it. Okay, and then here are the whitening gel in these tubes here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the mouthpiece, and then we're gonna get plugged up and start whitening these almost pearly whites. Okay, so I switched over to my iPhone since that's what it's plugged in. As you can see, these are the lights, and so when you plug the mouthpiece into your phone, that's how the lights turn on. And we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Okay, y'all, so it's been 30 minutes and I'm back. Honestly, I really do see the difference. Like, I know I only did one test of these, but honestly, just with one of them, you could, like, my teeth they look like brighter and whiter. Like, that is actually crazy. I'm gonna put like the before and after, and it's very slight, but like just looking at myself, like I can tell. I can literally see it. Like, this really worked. Now, like, regarding how I felt about the whole process, honestly, you could just keep it in for 10 minutes. I chose to keep it in for 30 minutes because I wanted to get the best results possible. But for someone like me, in hindsight, I probably should have not left it in for as long, just because I'm that type of person at the dentist that, like, you know, they have the little sucky tube for when you like build up so much saliva. I'm that person. The whitening like gel, it was an okay flavor. It's just like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it was kind of like fresh and cooling. That's the sensation I got. Other than that, I'm definitely gonna continue to use it. Honestly, I'll probably get a couple more uses out of this because I didn't even use the full tube just for that one try. that being said, if you want to see the final results of like everything that I got out of the kit, follow me on my Instagram at _Mami Tiff _. If you're interested in the product, which I highly recommend you guys definitely try it out, especially, you know, it's prom season. For some of us, it's still grad season, and you know, you want those pictures to look good with your pearly white teeth. I mean, come on. But for real, you guys should definitely go check it out, and they gave me a link for you guys to use that will be tagged down below in my description box, and through that link you will get a cute little discount off of your Novashine teeth whitening kit. So yeah, thank you to Novashine for partnering up with me in this video. Back to our regular show. I just got out the shozawi. Okay. Washed my body, washed my hair, obviously. I think I'm about to do some cute little twists just because I don't really feel like doing my hair for the next couple days. While I was in the shower, I used the Dr. Kiehl. And let me tell you something. First of all, this joint, it's a moment. I was in the shower just like, okay, the way this smells. What is this, eucalyptus? Yeah, eucalyptus and spearmint. But yeah, I just wanted to put y'all on. Not that this is new or anything, but you know, it's always good to bring a little oldie something back. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? To twist my hair, I'm gonna use the Aussie Miracle Curls oil, which has like coconut and Australia jojoba oil. I like this a lot. I like these Aussie moist little oils. Like the last one I used is the moist one. Yeah, that's grand. And then I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Okay, so this is literally specifically for twisting your hair because this shit is thick. So you guys are gonna go ahead and see me back in about. Who is she? I mean, listen, I love a good twist moment. Okay, I love a good twist moment. I just cleansed my face, but I just washed my face with my sturdy Dr. Bronner's Tea Tree, and now I'm using this this Moscachino. I think that's how you say it. If it's wrong, don't curse me out, okay? Please. I think it might be a sheet mask. Let's see. It is. Oh my god, wait. It looks like the packaging. Hold on, I'm about to show you. Ooh, okay, hold on. This is very liquid. My sister got this for me like a couple Christmases ago. I hope this is still okay to put on my face. Bitch, what? Oh my god, this is a lot. This is a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this feels grand. Do I have this inside out? I can't tell. I definitely do. Yep, I'm an idiot. That's what that is. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, hold on. Whose face is this round? I'm like, did y'all actually put this? Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is so cute, and with my pajamas, it's even cuter. All right, how long do I leave this on for? First of all, this, oh my god. It smells really good and it feels pretty decent. We're gonna set a timer for 15 minutes and I'm gonna check back in with y'all then. So I took the mask off. Girl, I don't know if you could tell, but it's got my skin shiny, 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 shiny. Hey, purred. It's looking grand. Oh, it's looking very grand. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my skincare routine. Why is this not focusing? Focus on me. I need to stop with the song puns. I'm sorry, I apologize. I'm pretty sure you're just supposed to rub it into your skin with these sheet masks, right? Okay, so just to finish this off, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is like very creamy. A little bit more creamy than I would like, so I use this very like lightly because I have dry and oily skin. So I don't like to use a lot of this. I use like very little and kind of stretch it out, especially because I do put on a face oil. First of all, ma'am, my friend literally, so I bought this face oil off of my friend. I normally use like it's a kale and vitamin C oil, but this joint, first of all, she got flowers in it. Can we focus? Thank you. She's got flowers in it and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and I'll go ahead and link her Instagram and such. Oh my god, it's going fast. Sorry. Link her Instagram and such down the road. What is going on? And then just to finish everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Mario Badescu facial spray that has like the aloe, chamomile, lavender one. I just call it the purple one. I really hope this is in focus. Pause. Alright, so I have this cute little paint, and it's a marker pad. It's a paint and marker pad. I have my paints. You just can't, well, you can see some of them. But now for the important part. Honestly, I'm not even gonna sit here and really recognize. I'm not gonna sit here and really advise this wine because honestly, this wine is an inside joke.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
I'm not this weak, I promise. But anyways, the reason why I said I don't recommend this is because it's a complete inside joke between me and my friends Devon and Soccer. And I had gotten this back on my birthday. Honestly, it's not that bad as I thought I had remembered it. It's just like a sweet wine, you know? It's one of those starter wines, as the grown folks say.
Oh, you're young, you're drinking the sweet wine.
It's those type of wines, okay? Okay, so I got my brushes. I'm not exactly sure. I think I want to do like female bodies. You know, like those female body candles that are really trendy right now? First of all, I want one. But I was like, why don't I just paint that? That seems like that would be cool and fun. This is literally like the water cups that I had when I painted as a kid. I used to really be painting, y'all. I used to actually like do multiple paints. I was an expert in watercoloring, to be specific, and I used to just do a bunch all in one sitting and let them lay out across my house as if I was creating a museum. Cheers, let's get started. So I think this is a good time to have a little bit of a conversation about just self-care in general, because I feel like people think that self-care is a whole, I feel like, misconception of how self-care needs to be defined. Like, and I don't like that. I feel like self-care is what you define as like your own self-care. I feel like self-care is activities that truly just bring you joy. I feel like oftentimes the internet's like the way self-care has to be is like through doing, you know, spa related activities, which for me personally, I do enjoy doing. That is definitely a fave of mine. But basically what I'm trying to say is really self-care is anything that makes you feel good. So like if doing a paint and sip makes you feel good, sweetie, do it. If freaking reading a book, as simple as that, or if going out in nature and going for a hike is what you think is self-care for you, do that. It's whatever makes you feel good deep down inside. Oh, listen, you can't tell me anything, okay? I think this is cute though. Like, I really do. I honestly, when this dries, I might frame it.
You better stop!
No, but for real, comment down below if you think it's good. If you think it's bad, don't comment. Thanks, because, well, you guys, it's pretty much all I have for this video. I'm glad that we could take this journey together. I hope that just you watching this video that you got some inspiration, or that, you know, just watching might have helped you with your own self-care, because technically you are watching a YouTube video. So if that's in your self-care routine, I helped contribute to that. I mean, I'm gonna just give my own self a pat on the back. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this weekend. I truly needed it. I needed some peace. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Oh, then I gotta run around. Bye, guys.